I'm not going to get out of your city, number one.
Yes, get the
I'm not a Nazi.
Yes, you clearly. Oh, what does that say? Border Patrol. Yeah, you're a fucking Nazi. You work for the fucking orange fascists and cheat. Yeah. Get the out of our city, you Nazi piece of shit.
Number one, I'm not gonna get out of your city because I live here.
Oh, you want to make? You want to make? Okay, good for you. Good for you. You want to make lampshades out of people's skin? Oh yeah. You Nazi piece of lampshades out of people's skin. Yeah. Get the out. Get out.
Hey, I'm not a U.S. citizen. Come on. Yes. No, yes. Come on.
Get it. What's that?